Yes, today's lesson is all about these sounds, all of these letters, okay? We're going to review the sounds and then try to blend them together. Are you ready? Yes, we can do this one. I'm going to use my wand to point each letter and say the sound with me, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Okay, one more time. Okay, can we do it fast? Okay, let's do it. Here we go. This one. Okay, how about this? Okay, this one. This sound is. And how about this? And this one. Okay, great job. Now we're going to form words, okay? Using all these letters, okay? Okay, so let's join the sounds. First one. At is used to show an exact position or particular place. Example, she's standing at the door. The next one is is in. In means inside of a container, place, or area. Example, the ball is in the box. Next word. Is ant. Next one. An is pan. Let's go to the next word. Pat. The word pat means to touch quickly and gently with the hand. Next word. Is a nap. A nap is a short sleep, especially during the day. Next, is sat. The word sat is the past tense of sit, which means the action is already done. Example, she sat on the big box yesterday. Next word. Is tap. Let's go to another word. Is sap. Sap is a watery fluid of plants. Next word. Tip. The word tip is a pointed or rounded end of something. Let's have the next word. The word is pin. This is a safety pin and the other one is a push pin. The next word is pit. A pit is a large hole in the ground. Next word. Sip. The word sip means to drink by taking small amount of liquid. And the last word is s, I, t, sit. Now it's activity time. Are you ready? This is what you're going to do. You're going to choose the correct sound from the box. Okay, let's start. This is the first word. Tap. Which one is the missing sound? Is it a or I? That's right. Next is sip. Which one is the missing sound? Is it a or I? That's great. Let's go to the next word. Tip. And your answer is... That's right. Very good. Another word. Tin. Which one is the missing sound? A or I? And your answer is correct. And the next word is pan. Which is the missing sound? And you're right. Next word. Nap. Nap. And the answer is... Wow, excellent. Let's have the next word. Sit. And the correct answer is... Wow, great job. Let's have another word. Pat. What is the missing sound? Excellent. Next we have pin. Pin. And the correct answer is... Wow, you're doing great. Let's have the last word. Sap. Hooray! Excellent! You did great today. Okay, children, that ends our lesson for today. To those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you'll be notified for the next video. Thank you.